out at Best Value Glass's new showroom in Lakeside today because glass is a major element in the home. So I'm here with Steve and Allison, and we're talking all about how this showroom can benefit you as a homeowner. Steve, why would you build this beautiful showroom?
So we've been in business for 35 years, and where we were before, we didn't have a lot of things to show people. So now we built this showroom, which is really the showcase here for people to come down and see their options and see the different things we can do for them in the home.
And how does this compare to an in-home consultation, which you also offer?
So we have full-size windows here and full-size shower doors, and you can move them and look at different colors and see how they work and see how things open.
And it sounds like it's a lot easier to visualize because you're looking at a much bigger sample swatch, basically.
Yeah, and you know what you're going to get. And the one thing that nobody wants is to get a new shower, a beautiful shower door, and oh, that's not what I was expecting.
Exactly. So Allison, let me turn it to you. What are we going to see as we're going to tour visually with the camera here today, but tell homeowners what they're going to see at the showroom.
Yeah, so our new shower showroom has 7 full-size showers in it, and it shows off every style that you could want for your home.
7.
7. So
wow.
You can do anything from a semi-frameless kind of bypass shower where there's sliding doors over a tub, to a frameless door with a panel, to a neo-angle, to a steam shower. So we have everything there. The barn door style is also very popular, and we have a full-size contemporary style shower showing that off, which is really nice.
I want to say you named some styles that I'm not even familiar with. You got to barn door, and I was like, yeah, I know what that one is. But that's also why you would come and talk to the experts here at Best Value Glass. You guys are going to know what the different styles are, what styles go with other styles, and you can really use it as a consultative experience with the homeowner as well.
Exactly, yeah. So you can see them all in person, and basically as long as it meets code and we know it's safe, we can kind of help direct you as well in the right direction to what style suits your wants and your needs.
So that's where we're talking showers and custom glass, but Steve, you also have an entire window department here that we can look at.
Our window department has 4 different doors. We have and 26 windows.
All of which you can physically touch, open, mess around with to make sure that they work to the function that you're wanting them to.
It's really nice to come and see how the window shuts and moves. The surprising thing for most people is how easy these windows move now. And we can also talk about energy efficiency and give you all your options to make your house more comfortable.
So Best Value Glass has all of your glass and window needs covered, and it's such a good idea to come to this showroom and check them out in full scale so you can see what is going to work best for your house. Steve, what is the address here?
8956 Winter Gardens Boulevard in Lakeside.
And give them a call if you want to set an appointment, 619-419-0023.